Hey everyone, I'm Jared, this is Gizmo, and Zeke, and Holly's inside, and we are doing a lap of Australia, and we just want to document our prep and our trip, so yeah, stay tuned. So today you're going to watch us, forgive the puppies because they're obsessed with water, but today I'm going to show you how I did running water out of a water tank, in the back, just in there. And I did D.I.Y fridge fetish. So our fridge for our benches. Keep watching and I'll show you how. What to do when you don't have a circular saw. Jigsaw would be nice right about now.
You were literally one big OH&S flag.
Nice. Okay. Oops. It's not dry. I don't think it's going to fit. Here's something I prepared earlier. Oh. Much better. Nice. I don't know. Extra good. What I'm trying to do is reuse this carpet. So I don't need to buy new carpet. The shape is not exactly working. Rather difficult. Just not good. This is the last piece of carpet that I have from the old build. Ow! Ow! Staples! Ow! Ow! I'm hoping, because it's square, fits nicely. Ow! It doesn't, however, fit nicely in my fingers. Ow! Oh. Ew. What is that? Oh, nice. Nice. Much better. Oh, wait. Might even have to do that. Problem solved.
And that's what you get when you take it off of the stapled piece.
There's only one side. I'm going to come out. Super speed.
Nope.
No super speed. One side. The puppies have abandoned ship. They're like, I'm out. They're currently inside, probably asleep.
So we're gonna resume this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The last melon.
The last melon.
Nice. Quit. I don't think he wanted his carpet to come out. I guess. Now what do they always say? Now the haters, they're going to say that they're going to use the staples and glue, but I don't have either of them, so I'm going to use screws. That was a bad sound. Haters gonna say it's wrong. It is, but that's okay. Still gotta patch it up a bit. We'll do that another day. So just finished the DIY of the day with my poppers. Yeah, just got to finish it off tomorrow. Put all the screws and the carpet and everything, but need a staple gun. Staples in, just to finish off that carpet. Living the best life. Yeah, so pretty happy with how it came out. Yeah, keep going tomorrow. So now you've seen, well, semi-seen, because I'm not that great at videoing yet, but I'll get there. So you've semi-seen how we did this. So I'm just going to keep doing videos and showing you guys what I do to this and what I do to that over there before our trip, and then I'll keep videoing our trip, you know, our adventures. Okay. Good boy. Okay. Other foot. Other foot. Good boy.